Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg, and in front of the camera is the solder paste mixer. I will show you how to make it work. Let's check it out. You can see there is a button. Here is the power supply button, and this is the cable, power supply cable to the power supply. And if we want to make it work, we have to close this door, because here you can see there is a limit switch. Once we close the door and we power on, and now you can read the 7-second display. But if we open the door, the power will cut. So after we put the solder paste onto the cup, the fixture, and we just close the door and buckle it, and then we just press the start button. Yeah, it works. And we just press the pause button to stop, and we can open to check it stop. How can we demonstrate that? Now we just press this button. Okay, we just press the start button, and then we touch this limit switch. So we just start. I have to press the start button, I think. Okay, how can I press? Let me put down the camera. Okay, I just press this button, and also the limit switch here. It's a bit dangerous. I just suggest you to make it work without the cover. So it's just to show you how this mixer works. And it has two directions: rotation and the revolution, and the second rotation. I mean, the cap itself is rotation, and also the mixer is the primary rotation. Yeah, so it will mix the solder paste or red glue perfectly. And we have fixtures for red glue, the counterweight. We can put the 10 cc red glue into it, and then put into this cup. So yeah, that's it. This solder paste mixer is quite easy to start, and yeah, we welcome your order on RobotDigg. Thanks for watching.